Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with new releases and I'm so excited about these ones. We have so much cute stuff happening. So let's go ahead and get into it. This week we do have 2 new exclusive arts, which is wild. We have some new like fun pattern underlays, 2 new foil bundle colors, some new doodles, characters, color of the week, and scribblers. Let's go ahead and just do what we do and we'll start at the top. First things first is there's just 2 doodle sheets. These were released and I thought they were so cute. So they are Frozen inspired doodles. These are just kind of like elements and then these are characters. So you have the like plushy characters and then these are cut like bigger and then they're cut so you can like put them down and there's like a clean edge on the bottom. So this is number 654 and then this is 655. We also have a character sheet for this week, which we do have Minions, and this is number 52. The next color of the week is this really gorgeous like indigo color, like a bluish indigo, and it does have the normal 12 sheets. This is color number 57, and this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern with the rest of new releases all the way through Sunday, and there will always be a buy all bundle option. The next one here is our Scribblers for this week, and it is number 25, and this is the Scribbler with the traveling suitcase holding the passport. This was actually requested by Jessica J. Crew Plans. It's actually going to be on her new freebie, and it is just so stinking cute. Let me actually show you that. They aren't going to be going out yet. Probably in about a month or so. We're getting down to the end of the other ones we had made, but this is Jessica's, and these are just randomly placed into orders. So stinking cute. Then we have the 2 new foil bundles for this week, and they're very similar in color but different. So this is in the new format Confetti. We have so many to release, so I figured for a while we'll just do 2 to get them rocking and rolling. So let me go ahead and show you what we have here. I don't know what I called these. I think I called one Magenta, and then Candace just came up with, I think, Lover. So these are the 2 different foil bundles. They are 2 different colors. This one's a little bit more purpley, and then this one is more pink. This one's sparkly, and then this one is not. So let me give you a little close up of these, and then let me do it also with my flashlight so you can see these sparkles. So this one on top is more of a hollow, and then the one below it is more of a sparkle. So the top is Lover, and then the bottom is Magenta Sparkle, I believe. Not entirely sure on the names that I picked for those. I think I have it written down in my notebook. Let me grab that. But they are so stinking cute. And I think I have one planned to use for February already. And they match so many different kits. So we have, yeah, Sparkly Magenta and then Lover. So Lover is the hollowy one, and then Sparkly Magenta is obviously the sparkly one. And both of these will have the add-on options, and this will be under the heart listing for the heart underlays as well. So if you want to add these on, I have this already paired with the Pillow Talk kit, and I paired it with the Lover, so it's like the more hollowy one. But I honestly feel like this one could go with either depending on your vibes, and I also feel like it could go with a couple of the kits that came out last week. So stinking cute. I'm in love. So again, we have the 2 different foil bundles. They're very similar in color, but I think they both work really well for Valentine's Day spreads, and then also just the rest of the year if you want to use them with the regular like bougie box underlays, or if you want to add these on, you got options there. So the 2 new foil bundles. Then we also have a couple of more like patterned bougie boxes to show y'all. And these are the animal ones. So these are just all different animal prints. There is 8 different boxes here. You could do the mismatch look, which is what I'll probably do. Or you can order multiples of these and use the same one throughout. So there's gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, matte bronze, and black, which black is so fun. And then to kind of go along with this, the reason why I had those made was for the first exclusive art of this week, which is at the zoo, and we have been requested to do a zoo kit for so long, and I think this turned out perfect. So you have lots of different animals in their habitats, the like front entrance of the zoo. I love these colors. It's like really bright and fun. I feel like you could use, well, let me show you the front page. I feel like you could use gold, you could use silver. I think even matte bronze would be fun, or if you wanted to do black, that would pop as well. So fun. And these can be used with a lot of different kits, not just necessarily zoo kits. I see people use animal print with all different types of kits, like the wild thornberries kit. If you wanted to do it with like the Y2K, I think that'd be really fun with the different animal prints and like the hollow or the sparkly hollow. But this is just so pretty, and I cannot wait to go to the zoo to use this. Then you have the flamingos there as well, and then there's even like kind of an aquarium double box there. I'm obsessed. It makes me want to go to the zoo right now just so I can use it, because like how fun is that? It also does come in a mini kit, and then there are add-on options. You have the doodles, you have the label, and also the label 2, which kind of brings a brighter color in, functional, ombre, fashion, and then last but not least, there is like extra boxes. I accidentally put fan one on there, but we'll fix that up. But this is the tall, and then the 2 flat lays. So you have like a zoo map and like a pretzel, sunscreen, a fanny pack, and then a little outfit with like a little crocodile, water bottle, phone, and such. So pretty, and I am in love, and I cannot wait to use it. Let me know what foil you use down below. I personally, I don't know. I'm leaning towards either the matte bronze or the silver. I think silver might pop, but matte bronze I think will like, just gives me zoo vibes in general. Then let's move into the next exclusive art, and this is Wednesday, and I am so excited. I recently did watch Wednesday, and just today, I'm filming this on Friday, they announced that there's going to be a season 2. So it's literally perfect timing, and I do think, like I didn't even plan this, but I think that this would look really pretty with either of the foil bundles this week, because these are the colors in the kit, right? But there's also these like lighter purpley, like magenta-y colors, and I think that that could pop, like bringing in those colors and then those being on top of this. If you wanted to make it a little bit more, what's her name, Enid, I think that that would be perfect. But also you could use matte bronze, you could use matte silver, a mix of the two. You could do a light blue, you could do a black, a silver, hollow I think would be fun as well, a dark purple. There was one dark purple, I don't remember what pattern it was in, but it would look really, really pretty with this. But there's just a lot of options. And then also stripes. Maybe I should bring out the stripes soon. Those were in the advent. I think that'd be really fun with this as well. And I think I might have ordered stripes in black, and those will be coming soon. And those would be really cool with this as well. Maybe stripes in like 2 different colors layered, like maybe opposites. Ugh, that might be fun as well too. But love this. I actually went ahead and like arranged the full boxes prior to even watching the show, and I was pretty happy with everything that I like selected from what the artist drew. And the only thing I changed was I didn't really know what this like the window was for, but I thought that that looked cool in the background once I knew what it was about. I'm not gonna give any spoilers for the show, but yeah, I just am obsessed. I think this could be used for Halloween, but also could be used anytime, since I think Wednesday is just like an anytime at this point. And then there was 2 scenes that I wanted to do the like half box, like the Clueless one. So I was like, that doesn't really seem that like it needs a whole another sheet, but I figured if I ever have like just 2 of them or just 1 of them, I could throw them on the deco area. Especially because a lot of these like pop culture kits don't have a lot of deco. They're usually very character heavy. Oh, it's just so good. And I love this. You have her dance. Ugh. And then you have the tall box here as the freebie with her umbrella. Literally obsessed. I think Wednesday is such a fun show. I would definitely recommend watching it if you haven't already. So that is the ultimate kit, and then the mini kit. And then add-on options, you have the doodles. You have the functionals, the label, ombre, and then there is extra characters if you want to add it on. And I am just obsessed. I definitely want to add on the characters. So stinking cute. And then last but not least, we also do have the Under the Waves, which is so fun. And I also feel like this one could look really pretty with the colors of foil that came out this week, especially this one. I think this could be a fun match for this, but I also have a foil bundle coming out next week that I think will be really pretty with it. So you have options, but either way, that's going to have a lot of things that it'll match with as well. So let's go through this kit. I'm obsessed. I think Jess did such a great job on this, and it's like calling for quote boxes. I love these colors. I think I might color block This is calling for a quote. I love this flat lay with all of the seashells. Ugh, it's literally everything. These colors are so fun, and I love the papers. It was so hard to pick which papers to use. I love the bubbles and the scales and the paints, and oh, it's just so good. Love everything about it. And this one usually I just use like a color, a pattern, and then these are the colors, but I actually ended up using a different pattern for each of these. Normally they're the same, if anything, or they're the colors. And then there's also a really light bubble through here. It's very, very faint in comparison to that bubble, but I thought I just gave it like a little bit of texture. And then there is a tall box freebie in this one as well for the ultimate and the mini. And then add-on options, there is the doodles, the functional ombre label, and also label 2, which is like a little bit of a darker purple, which would be fun to throw in. And you could also, if you're color blocking, since the date covers are a pattern, you could bring that purple in any day that you want, which is really fun. So that is Under the Waves, and that is everything for this week. I am so excited. Also, if you watched my vlog, my most recent vlog on my personal channel, I did mention that apparel is coming, and I'm very excited to announce that that will probably be happening this month, which is very, very exciting. I am putting the finishing touches on things now, making sure everything will run smoothly, but I am very excited about that because that has been something that's been requested since we have been doing SPC parties and we had shirts and stuff, is to do an apparel launch. So that is coming as well. Also, thank y'all so much for all your support on the D-Stash boxes. Last I checked, I think there was like 4 left of one of them. But I think that I don't know if I'll have time to do any more this month necessarily, but I know I got so many messages about doing more of the TN D-Stashes, and next time I will do more of those. Maybe I'll make them a little bit bigger and add some like bows in or something like that, or just keep them the same since y'all seem to like them in the price point. But I will be doing more D-Stashes in the future. If you missed out on this one, I think there was some left of the Ultimate Mystery D-Stash. So if you missed that one is still available, but the boxes, especially by the time I think that this goes up, they will be probably sold out. So thank y'all for the support on that, and I definitely will do more in the future. And I have a couple of new ideas for like combos to do, since you guys seem to really like the combos versus just the random. Well, you like the random too, but it's also easier for my brain to do the combos. So that's everything for this week, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.